In this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. First, open any web browser. It is recommended to use the browser instead of Facebook app for the recovery process. Here you want to search Facebook hacked account. Now go directly to the Facebook's official account recovery page. So here it says that if someone hacked your account, visit this website on a device that you have used to log into Facebook before. So go ahead and tap on this website. Now you need to say what is happening. You can select, I found an account which uses my name or photos. People can see things that I thought were private, or I cannot see the right option in this list. Select your preferred one over here. Now follow the on-screen instructions to begin securing your account. Facebook will check for suspicious activity, including recent posts, comments, password changes, email or phone number changes, and other account activity. If Facebook detects unauthorized changes, review each one carefully and confirm which changes were not made by you. Next, create a strong password that you haven't used on any other website. This prevents anyone who may know your old password from accessing your account again. Continue through the security review and verify your identity if prompted. Facebook may send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number. Enter the code to confirm that you own the account. Once you have regained access, review your security settings, remove any unfamiliar device, login sessions, and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection against future unauthorized access. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.